Namaste. Today with me, Mr. Trautman from South Africa, Capetown. He's on a 25th day at Anandkunj. He did 21 days of fasting. Just people would like to know about your fasting experience.
Yes, well, it was amazing. I mean, I came for a deeper spiritual connection, but I got so much more. You know, I had slight hypertension and I had sciatica, and that cleared up. You know, blood pressure is normal, even below normal sometimes.
So even after the 21 days of fasting, how is your energy level?
And my energy level is, it feels ecstatic and calm. It's that interesting combination where I'm feeling in control of myself on a deep level, at peace, but I feel like I've got a lot of energy. So it's it's wonderful journey.
Feeling powerful?
Watch out.
Very good. मैं जबरदस्त हूँ.
No, excellent, amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I honor your system and I have huge gratitude for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.